Hey, what's up you guys, Fezo here, welcome to my new video. This time I'm going to show you guys what's on my Android phone, which is Samsung Galaxy S40. I will show you my setup on this phone. Let's get started. I got two pages on my phone, home screen and the other one. I got one widget and some of my favorite icons, such as Instagram, WhatsApp and others. The wallpaper I use you can find in my wallpaper pack. In the second page I am using mail and music widget and second part of my favorite icons. So let's get started from the home screen. As you can see, I am using the date and time widget, which is overdrop. If I click on it, it will open the overdrop itself. You can click on the date, I will see the calendar, and for the alarm clock you can tap on the clock. You can also change theme and some settings in the overdrop. In the settings tab you can change bunch of things like temperature and wind. You can also get weather alerts if you want. There are nice and minimalist looking themes for the overdrop in the theme section. There are also beautiful widgets. You can go widgets tab for viewing widgets. That's all for overdrop, so let's move on the icons on my home screen. I am using NX icon pack for my phone. It's very minimalist and colorful icons. You can get on Play Store about $2 or $3 I guess. There are also few wallpapers you can find on NX icon pack. In my home screen icons, I put swipe action to each icons from Nova settings to open secondary application like YouTube Studio, my internet browser and other my useful applications. You can easily apply this option by going to the icons option which you want to apply this action. You can select any application or shortcut you want. The launcher I am using is the Nova launcher. And here is some of my settings for the home screen layout. I will upload more videos about Nova launcher customization so you can make your home screen like mine. In the second page of my phone, I am using email widget from Samsung itself. You can change mode from light to dark and also transparency. Mine it's 50% transparent. Bottom of it I am using my favorite music player widget, which is Stellia. I really love the theme of this player. There is bunch of editable content in this application. You can change album art from the gallery or find in the application itself. You can access the control from the settings. It's also available for the Android Wear like smartwatch. The best thing for this player is changing the theme. Go to the Stellia store for more themes. I like iFrost and Redline more. Bottom of it you can see my favorite quote. I made it on KWGT. It's the custom one. You can go in the KWGT and easily write with the text tool, and you can also select the font to match your text you write. Last thing in my phone screen is the second part of my favorite icons, which is Google Keep, Discord, Play Store, Netflix of course, and the last one is PayPal for my business. Let's move on the wallpaper I use. It's downloaded from the Wallpaper Craft application. It's the free one on Play Store. You can check the exclusive wallpaper by watching the ads, or you can pay $2 once a month to access all the wallpaper without getting any ads. As you can see, my second page is blurry wallpaper. I'm using two applications to make it. One of them is the 5 wallpaper and the blur one. In the 5 wallpaper you can set number of your desktops. Mine is 2. I put the first one normal looking wallpaper and the second one same wallpaper but blurry one. Under the number of desktops you will see the transition effect between two pages. I recommend you to select transition 1 if you're looking the setups like mine. In the Blur One application, you can give nice lens blur to your picture, or you can create a custom image. Just choose your picture in your gallery and change the blurriness and DIM from this option well. After you're done, you can easily save it to your gallery for using it on 5 wallpapers or whatever you want. Next application is AirDroid. It's very useful for me because I am sharing lots of pictures and videos from my PC to my phone or phone to my computer. It's the best application for sharing your content between two sites. You can download the application to your PC or use the web version to connect your phone directly using Wi-Fi. You can easily scan the QR code for fast and secure connection. If you ask which internet browser you are using, it's Opera for me because I love the interface of this browser. You can go to the settings and change the mode to light, red and the dark. Also, you can change the application layout to the tablet mode if you want. The reason I'm using Opera for my phone and my PC, it's using less RAM in the background and of course the dark mode. Last thing in my favorite application group is the game, which is Bricks Wall Crusher. If you are traveling long distance like going to work or somewhere, you can play this game to kill the time like me. You can turn off your Wi-Fi or mobile data to get rid of the ads in this game. It's also have multiple game modes for if you're tired to play the same one. Okay guys, that's all for this video. I like to share my customization videos about Android phones soon. That was my first video about Android. I hope you like it. If you do, please smash the like button and subscribe if you don't already. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.